Audio Creation and Export Guide, using Audacity. Audacity is a free audio recording and export tool. It can be downloaded from audacityteam.org/download. Launch Audacity. Now we will check the settings in Audacity to ensure the audio will be recorded in the correct project rate and format. The project rate is shown here. The rate must be set to 44,100 Hz. If this is not correct, you can change it by clicking on the drop-down box. Now we will check that the correct format is used. To do this, go to Edit, Preferences, Quality. Here you will see the rate and format. Make sure the format is 32-bit float. If it is not correct, you can change it by clicking on the drop-down box. Now that the correct rate and format have been selected, click OK. Before we start recording, follow these points to ensure your recording is as clear as possible. The better the recording, the better the sound heard on FM radio. Recording is ideally performed in a quiet room. Noise from the environment is easily captured by the microphone. Turn off room air conditioning or fans. Air movement is surprisingly noisy. Write down exactly what you want to record, word for word. When speaking, keep the distance from the microphone constant. Now we will adjust the recording volume to make sure your microphone will record your voice at a suitable volume. Click the recording level indicator where it says click to start monitoring. Adjust the microphone recording volume whilst speaking as if recording your instructions. Ensure peak indicators only briefly turn red. Adjust the recording volume to a maximum level of 0.90. Your recording will not sound clear if the recording volume is set too high or too low. When set, click the recording level indicator again to turn off microphone monitoring. When you are ready to record, click the record button to record. When you have finished recording, click the stop button. I will record instructions just as an example. Ambulance approaching, move out of the way now. Press stop to stop the recording. I will now test the recording by clicking play. Ambulance approaching, move out of the way now. If you want to try again, delete the recording by clicking on the X button. And then press the record button again. Take your time to get this right. Now that you have finished your recording, we will adjust the audio loudness. To do this, we will use the effect, Amplify. This will ensure that the instructions will be heard clearly over FM radio at the maximum audio level. Choose Effect, Amplify. The automatic defaults are correct. Click OK. Now the volume is louder. Now we will trim the recorded instructions. Using the mouse, highlight the lead and pause time. Then press delete on your keyboard. Do this again for the lead out pause time. Highlight with the mouse. Then press delete on your keyboard. Export the audio by clicking File. Export audio. Choose the folder where you want to save the file. Enter the file name. It is very important to name your files properly. This file will be named ambulance2_eng for English. As you can see, I already have a file here named ambulance1. This file contains different instructions. When you use the Radiolert configuration tool, you will need to know the location of these audio files. Make sure the save as type is WAV, Microsoft signed, 16-bit, PCM. When you are happy with your save location and file name, click Save. This completes the Radiolert guide on how to record clear spoken instructions using Audacity.